Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my cheese space, and I'm going to be teaching you how to take your zip measurement, how to sew in your zip. Now you just take 1 inch from the length. As you can see, I've pointed it out. From there you pin and you place your zip on top of that 1 inch. You want it to be exactly how you've seen in the video. You don't want any kind of mistakes, because if you make any mistake, it might fold. The zip might actually be slanted. Now I'll just pin my zip to my material with that 1 inch that I've already taken, and just like that I'll make sure that it's straight. Next I go to the sewing machine and I sew through that 1 inch, and I would like to inform you that you shouldn't start from the tip of the end of your zip, but you should give some allowance in the zip process. As we have taken that note, then we'll start from the ending of the zip down to the bottom of the material, that's the blouse or the gown. Then we'll try to sew in the zip in place as we have pinned. We'll try to sew through the zip, the two sides, the both sides. Whatever you do on this side, you do on the other side. And as you can see there, I'm done sewing through. You don't want any folding, you don't want any extra allowances. When I'm done sewing through, it's going to look like this. Shouldn't fold. If it's going to be a long zip, shouldn't fold. Then the next step and the last step is I will place my zip, the tip of the top of my zip, in between both fabrics. And as you can see, I'm just doing that. Place my zip tip at between both fabrics like that, and I will sew at the top of that place just a little, so it won't be visible that much. And yes, as you can see, I'm just sewing through, and that's it. You have successfully installed your zip, and that's just is very easy. It's not something that will take you more than 2 minutes to do. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.